Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the CapCut security notice issue. Let's get started. First, you need to clear the cache and data of the CapCut app installed on your phone. Corrupt caches and data in the app can cause various problems, including error codes. If you're using an Android device, press and hold the CapCut icon and click on App Info. Then tap on Storage and Cache, and finally tap Clear Cache. If you're an iPhone user, you'll need to reinstall the app. Simply delete CapCut from your device and download it again from the App Store. If the CapCut app is banned in your region and you're using local internet, you might see a security notice on the screen. To fix this, stop background data usage for the CapCut app on your phone. Go back to App Info and select Mobile Data and Wi-Fi. Here, uncheck the background data option. If you're not using the official version of the CapCut app, you'll definitely see this error message on the screen. In this case, download and install the official CapCut version from the official CapCut website. If you have followed all these steps and the security notice message is still visible on the CapCut screen, then you should use a VPN to change your device's location. That's it for this tutorial. I hope these steps help you fix the CapCut security notice issue. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos. See you next time.